Hello R, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor, presenting a personal video for you for this beautiful 2014 Honda CB500F. The kilometers of this motorcycle, it's 3,355 kilometers, and this unit is available at this time. Fully stock, brand new tires front and rear, stock pipe. Bike is very clean, it's ready for sale, and it's fully safety certified. If you want me to secure this motorcycle, please give me a call. My phone number to reach is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you.